Hello, everyone. As you know, the college is moving into an online learning environment, and as a result, I am going to be recording a series of short lectures that we posted on Omnivox and that will supplement my PowerPoint slides and the other documents that I present to you. Over the next few minutes in this brief introductory lecture, I'm going to go over the expectations that I'll have for you and the way in which we're going to approach the online learning environment. So what resources we're going to use, what websites we'll be using, and essentially what you'll be responsible for as we go forward. In your Omnivox tab, you may notice that the discussion forum has been opened. Class forums are now open for all sections of the courses that I teach. The class forum is going to be used for small assignments. Each week or twice per week, I'm going to be opening up topics of discussion. This might be something like an in-class work assignment, discussion questions, opinion pieces, revision activities, and the like. These activities will be listed in the forum, and I will indicate to you whether or not these activities are going to be graded. So for instance, the title will say, this piece of work or your response to this topic is going to contribute to your in-class work grade. So if you go into the class forum for the appropriate section of the course, whether it be remedial activities for Secondary 5 English or Section 5 or Section 8 for major authors, you can enter into the class forum and you will see that new subject will be posted periodically. As I said, lectures and various different PowerPoint slides will be posted here in the distributed documents tab, so you should follow along there. The lectures will always correspond with PowerPoint slides, so you'll have material that I've listed in the slides and also my commentary on them as I expand on them, and I offer you further analysis of whatever text we're studying or whatever topic that we're covering in the class. In terms of assignments, deadlines obviously have changed. Those changes will be reflected in the assignment instructions and the deadlines that are listed on Omnivox, but because we're no longer going to be able to see each other in person, most assignments are going to be handled through Turnitin.com. So, if you go to Turnitin.com, you will be asked to provide an access code and an access password that I will supply to you. So, if you go to Turnitin.com, create an account through that website, and then input the appropriate code that I provide you, you'll be granted access to one of the various different courses that I offer this semester. So for instance, let's say you are in my Tuesday, Thursday major authors class. You input the code and the password, you'll gain access to this major authors Tuesday, Thursday section. And if you enter that, you will see that there are a list of different assignments, deadlines, which will obviously again be changed depending on when we come back to college and how much of an extension I'm going to have to give you based on the amount of time we spent away. And then you have actions. These actions can be used to submit your response to this, let's say, last question paragraph assignment. So if we push the due date, this is just an example, if we push the due date for this assignment to March 31st or to April 5th, you would have to go to submit, enter in your first and last name, the submission title, and then choose a file from your computer, whether that be a Word document or a PDF document. I would prefer Word if possible. And then you would upload that in response to the assignment. Okay. This will allow you to submit your work and allow me to test for plagiarism fairly simply. Turnitin.com is an excellent resource for that. Again, for those of you who are in my Majors Authors course and are going to be studying Shakespeare and will probably use Turnitin.com to submit the Othello essay, please be aware that it is incredibly easy to plagiarize. Any idea that you take from the internet has to be cited properly in both a works cited section and in the body of the essay. Failure to do that is plagiarism. So if you have any questions about plagiarism, if you have any concerns about it, please contact me, and know that in prior iterations of this course, roughly 4 people per semester fail because of plagiarism, wittingly or unwittingly. So again, Be aware of what plagiarism is and guard against it. Those are going to be the major resources that we use through the rest of the semester, or at least so long as digital learning, online learning, is taking place.